Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're on an administrator account and that a recent restore point exists. This protects you if you change system files. Once ready, open Start and type Event Viewer, then run it as administrator. This grants full access to logs. In Event Viewer, expand Windows Logs and select System to begin filtering. You're looking for critical or error-level events around the crash timestamp. Note the exact date/time, so the next steps target the right records. Now filter system logs by level critical, error, and source bug check or kernel power to isolate blue screen records. Click an event and read the bug check code and 4 parameters. These identify the error type and often point to a driver. With the timestamp, open File Explorer and go to C/Windows/Minidump. Copy the most recent DMP file. Once copied, use dump chk or, preferably, WinDBG to analyze symbols and get a stack trace that reveals the likely faulty driver. With the Minidump open in WinDBG and symbols configured, run Analyze V to retrieve the stack trace and probable cause. This tells you whether a driver, kernel module, or hardware caused the crash. Once identified, update, rollback, or uninstall the implicated driver. If it's hardware, run Diagnostics and receipt components. After repairs, reboot and monitor. If you didn't find a dump, make sure automatic memory dump is enabled in startup and recovery settings. Reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.